Wavin plugin for Revit. Compensation feature. We'd like to present the compensation feature for Revit. Compensators are used to compensate for thermal stress in pipe systems resulting from thermal expansion. The selection of appropriate pipe lengths for the compensation needs requires calculations for each long pipe network section. Calculation process is quite complicated, but we squeezed it into one simple functionality. Compensation is a new feature which can support you in drawing thermal expansion loops for a selected pipe network by ones. Let's see how it works. To add compensation loops, first we need to select the installation which we want to analyze and push the compensation button. Then the window appears and the user needs to check or modify the input. We need to select the current pipe system from the list. Define maximum pipe length for thermal expansion loop calculation. Define temperature difference between mounting temperature and maximum operating temperature. Then we should apply changes. Basing on the selection and user-defined settings, plugin will analyze the pipe network. Feature detects the sections where compensation is required and inserts correct number of thermal expansion loops. Additionally, it will calculate the correct arm length and width for each U-shape. Because the maximum user-defined length was 12 meters, the pipe shorter than 12 meters was not included in calculations. The pipe equal to 12 meters has one loop. That was the border of maximum length. The pipe longer than 12 has two loops. In the real environment, pipe network is much more complicated. Let's try to repeat the action, this time the more complex network. Thank you for watching. Make sure you watch the rest of Wavin's tips and tricks tutorials on our dedicated BIM channel.